According to India Today, India has got its first ever AI school in Kerala. Are teaching jobs at risk? Will ChatGPT and other AI technologies finally replace human teachers in the classrooms? Well, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to discuss about India's first ever AI school launched in Kerala. This development was launched by Santhigiri Vidya Bhavan in Kerala's capital city, Thiruvananthapuram. The school inauguration was done by India's former President Ramnath Kovind. Well, if we see, Kerala is known for its highest literacy rates in India, with almost 94% of its population being able to read and write. And now it's the first ever state to launch an AI school in India. This news can be an indicative factor for the future developments in the education system due to the influence of AI. According to the official website, this school is a groundbreaking initiative aiming to integrate artificial intelligence into the education system. The primary goal of this AI school is to provide students with hands-on experience in AI and equip them with the skills needed for the future job market. It's fascinating to see how India is embracing AI in education. Well, does this mean that AI will take over the role of teachers? If you're thinking that the school won't have human teachers and will be fully automated, then you're wrong. Well, it simply means that the educational institution utilizes artificial intelligence and advanced technological systems to enhance the learning experience for the students. It involves the integration of AI technologies such as machine learning, natural language processing, and data analysis into various aspects of education, including curriculum design, personalized learning, assessment, and student support. The school is a result of a collaboration between iLearning Engines USA and Vedic eSchool. The people working on this project are experts like former chief secretaries, DGPs, and vice chancellors. The AI school also prepares students for big exams like JEE, NEET, CUET, and many more. Besides the academics, this AI system launched by the Vedic eSchool nurtures the skills like interview techniques, group discussion, aptitude, writing, English proficiency, and emotional well-being as well. The most important factor is making advanced systems accessible at low cost. India's first AI school is undoubtedly a groundbreaking development, but it does not necessarily mean that AI will replace human teachers anytime soon. Instead, AI can work alongside teachers to make education more effective and tailored to individual needs. As technology continues to evolve, the future of education holds exciting possibilities. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.